Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Wi-Fi active and mobile data on. Now make them work together. First, confirm your phone supports concurrent links or install a bonding app that uses a VPN tunnel. Next, enable mobile tethering or allow background data. Then, grant the app the VPN permission so traffic can be routed through both interfaces. Once done, open the App Setup wizard and choose Wi-Fi plus mobile interface as your combined path. This step starts aggregating throughput. Now configure how traffic flows between Wi-Fi and mobile data. In the app, pick load balancing for speed, failover for reliability, or true bonding if you have a compatible server. Each choice changes packet handling and latency. Make sure to set MTU lower if you see fragmentation, and use DNS or DNS over HTTPS to avoid split resolution. Then create routing rules. Mark streaming and video for low jitter paths. Keep small control packets on the lowest latency link, and enable keep. Finish by testing your combined connection with speed and latency tools, and compare results to each interface alone so you know it's working. If you experience reordering, slow upload, or disconnects, switch bonding modes, lower MTU, or temporarily disable IP6 routing to isolate the problem. Also check carrier policies and data caps. Some carriers throttle tethered or bonded sessions. One key troubleshooting tip: if packets reorder, enable packet reassembly or increase jitter buffer in the app, because that fixes most perceived instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.